morning, guys. We're just getting ready to start on our little addition here. It's so hard to get a good picture because there's just snow everywhere and buildings everywhere and stuff everywhere. But we're gonna do our soffit fascia, build our returns, siding, and then we got to move one door right here. Move that door to this outside wall. Then eventually we got to take this whole wall out here and put a header in there so it'll be open into the garage. Gonna use the LP prime siding for this job here, so let's get started. Here we go. Alright, so here's what we got going. We want to make this roof right here with the return look just like this one. That way everything on the whole property matches. It's all the same. So we're going to take just a scrap board, mount it up there, cut a little triangle piece, and make it look the same. And then we'll wrap it green. Well, there you go. That's your basic return. Match this one perfect here. Now let's go to the other side. Up, dog. Boom! You like this shit? No, I just have to snap it. I'll put this side on. That's it for today. Just me and the Jedi Carpenter this week. The bosses are hunting with their brother. Probably having a horrible time. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sure they're enjoying it. So, till next time, give us a call.